So let's start.
So you got to know, yeah. Castello, hello.
So this is the living room. So beautiful. Have something beautiful here. The living room comes with her. Just so you know.
No, don't lie to the internet. Don't lie to the world.
Watakuja shangae. And then there's a balcony. This is the master bedroom. You can see this other stuff. It's so big and beautiful. There's a mirror over here with me, looking not cute because my hair is not made up, but we're gonna sort it out. And then this is like the closet. I don't know, let me move back because I can't zoom. And this is the closet. There's a socket there in case you wanna charge. I don't know why I had to say that, but I feel like it's necessary. And then this is the master bathroom. It's so big, guys. It looks good. That's me, obviously. Here's the sink, the toilet, whatever, seat, bowl, and then this is the bathroom area. There's a curtain, of course. And then this is the shower. So nice. Really showered. I'm not lying. And then this is basically the bathroom, the master bathroom. So sorry, it's kind of wet because people are showering here. But this is what we have. Yeah, so obviously I'm gonna do a slow-mo video. But yeah, there's a couch here. And then the best part about the master bedroom is that it has a balcony. And the views, guys, you're not ready for the views. I wasn't ready, so oh sorry, I almost fell. These are the views, guys. As you can see, that's the Oracle Towers, right? Radisson Park Inn, Ibis Tiles, and then this balcony connects to the sitting room. This is the sitting room, and then there are beautiful flowers. As you can see, they're so nice. And then this. And then yeah, these are the views. That's my church, guys. Shout out to Parklands Baptist. Yeah, these are the amazing views. I wish I had a drone, man. They were filming a lot of things, but I don't. So we're gonna work with what we have. That's the road. I don't know why I'm showing you the road. That's called New Something House. I can't see it well, but yeah, that's what is near. I feel like you can even see town from here. I wish my lens was able to zoom. You could have seen a lot of amazing things, but I'm so sorry, it can't zoom for now. So yeah, that's the views. There's a sitting area where you can come and sit with your friends and chill and like chit chat and drink some wine and take amazing Instagram photos. By the way, I want to take photos here. So this is the second bedroom. This is the bed. Okay, let me move kind of further away from the lady so that you can see the bed. That's a bed. It's pretty big. Yeah, it has a lot of space. It's a beautiful curtain. Oh my god, let me see if I can show you very well. And then there's a mirror, of course, for the people who love mirrors. Yeah, that's me with my outfit. someone is playing music. They want me to get copyright. No, I'm not getting copyright. So this is where you put your clothes, the closet. If you're staying here for a long time, that is gonna put your clothes here. Yeah, that's where you're gonna put your clothes. And the best thing about this place, every room has a bathroom and toilet, but this one is not as big as the master, but it's spacious enough. That's the sink, that's the toilet seat, that's where you're gonna shower, the bathroom, the shower head, and everything. Yeah, that's it. And then that's me. As if vlogging you mtu aniangalia nasikianga I'm so shy. That's me. So this is the bathroom. Yes, this is the bathroom. And move so that you guys can see. That's the bathroom for you. What else? So should I show you about this room? This room is spacious enough. It's spacious enough. That's all I can say. It's and beautiful. Oh, I can show you that. That is also cute. Yeah. So this place is just beautiful. So we go to the next room, which is the third one. This is it. This is the bed. I'm sorry. This is the bed, guys. That's my friend's shuka. It doesn't come with the bed, so please don't ask about the shuka. And then there's a table over here. A nice table. I'm sorry, it has people's stuff on it. Yeah. And then here's the wardrobe. Every room has a place for you to put your clothes. You just put your clothes in there. The beautiful curtains are here. And then yeah, the bathroom. See, as I told you earlier, every room has a bathroom. This one is big. Oh my god, this one is big. Where did I come here? This is big. This is really, really big. Let me even move so that you guys can see how big it is. And then I made as usual, someone was showering, that's why there's water. Yeah, and then the toilet. It's here. This is it's like, I feel like this bathroom is bigger than the master's. I don't know why. It's bigger, but this is a good deal. So guys, this is the balcony from the kitchen. This views are also amazing. There's an unfinished building. I don't know why I had to tell you guys. And then there are trees, man, nature, fresh air. So these are just trees. I think that's the same road I showed you in the I'm gonna show you in the masters that connects the masters. These are just trees. I think people live around here. Yeah, and then there are seats. I'm so sorry. These are seats from inside. I'm not gonna show that because I'm gonna vlog again when everything is okay. Here there's a laundry. If you're staying for a long time, for the people who usually stay for a long time, that's the laundry. There's a washing machine. That's where you wash and hang your clothes. I think this is the dustbin. And then yeah, I love that everywhere. Like this place has good lighting, man. Good lighting. Yeah. So please, if you like taking photos and videos, this is the place to be. Guys, as usual, let me give you updates on the house. I'm sorry for the poor lighting, but we're gonna work with this because we are running out of time. So the house is located in Westlands, as you've seen in the vlogs. It's next to Ibis Tiles, the Oracle Tower is where we were, and a lot of amazing places. It's located in Westlands. The pricing was 10,000 Kenya shillings a night. We were like 9, if I'm not wrong. The house is very beautiful, very spacious. It has like the views are so nice. The balcony is so nice. So I fell in love with this place. What else do you guys need to know about this place? This place is an ideal place for a squad to come. If you want to get away from stresses, you can come here because it's nice for a large squad. We had an amazing time with my friends. We cooked for ourselves. You come with your own food because they don't provide food. We cooked for ourselves. We had an amazing time. We're catching up. So this house is really beautiful, honestly. It's even prettier than the photos that were on the Airbnb, and I'm definitely coming back again, so, and you should do too. Yeah, so I hope this was beneficial.
Hatutoachana.